Unveil the hidden wealth within your home with a groundbreaking revelation. Ever wondered if your living space could hold the key to multiplying your money instantly? Today, I'm about to open doors, quite literally, to 5 transformative money vortexes strategically concealed in plain sight. Your home possesses unique energy, and by the end of this video, you'll discover how to amplify it for unparalleled financial abundance. Brace yourself for the first revelation. Jewelry boxes, not just for gems, but for the alchemy of wealth. Transform your coins and bills into magnets of prosperity, soaking them in the rich vibes of gold, silver, and the sparkle of gems. Witness the birth of chai money as your wealth takes on a powerful, enchanting aura. Journey to the dynamic heart of your home. The hallways and entrances, the second power spot where money becomes an unstoppable force. Like a stream flowing through bustling chai, your money absorbs energy from constant movement, turning it into a magnetic beacon for financial success. Now, enter the vibrant realm of the dining room, the third recommended spot for cultivating wealth. As the social center filled with positive vibrations, the dining room infuses your bills with cheerful and lively energy. Watch as your money becomes a silent partner in the dance of prosperity. Elevate your expectations and your money. The fourth revelation takes you to elevated spaces where height and frequency merge. Placing your money on top of furniture and above door frames allows it to absorb upward chi, connecting with the divine source of abundance. And finally, discover the magic of mirrors as the fifth place to store money. Mirrors create a copycat effect, making your wealth appear even more significant. Experience the bounce-back machine for good vibes, amplifying the richness of your money. Speak positivity into your wealth while implementing this money trick, and watch the magic unfold. Are you ready to turn your home into a sanctuary of financial abundance? Try 1 or 2 of these spots, share your experiences in the comments, and let the money magic begin. Have you ever considered the unique energy within your home that contributes to the growth of wealth? It's as if there are invisible doors in your house, enhancing the natural flow and amplifying the power of money. Today, I'll reveal 5 specific spots where strategically placing your money can invite more prosperity into your life. Your home harbors certain areas with potent energy, and by placing your money there, you can strengthen its flow. It's fascinating to note that these wealth-attracting spots are often hiding in plain sight. Let's examine the scientific principles underlying observable findings rather than diving into strange ideas. I'm excited to share this concept with you because I've been practicing it for a while, and I'm drawing on my experience. You may be amazed at how easy it is to create more prosperity and plenty in your house by making small adjustments. Recall that money is energy, and it seems that energy permeates everything in our environment, even our homes. We can adjust some areas of our houses to draw in particular good energy, like prosperity. The concept is to guide and transform the energy in the most effective way for a particular goal. By placing money in these designated spots, you create a magnetic flow of energy throughout your home, ushering in prosperity. It's crucial to discover and cultivate your own wealth-boosting energy zones at home. From personal experience, I knew this transformation wouldn't happen overnight. With a positive mindset, I diligently cleaned and arranged these spaces, focusing on placing coins and bills in these chosen areas. Now, without further delay, let me introduce you to the hidden treasures of wealth in your home. The first revelation is about jewelry boxes. Storing money with precious metals like gold and silver in these boxes enhances its richness. These boxes, designed to safeguard valuable items with a history of holding gems, gold, silver, and other symbols of wealth, infuse the money with robust and powerful richness. The metal in coins contributes to the energy flow, while the sparkle of gems activates what's known as chai money, absorbing rich vibes not only from the physical bills, but also from the broader energies emanating from the jewelry box. Consider this as your money soaking in a blend of strong financial blessings. If you lack jewelry, think about acquiring or creating a fancy container, a safe, or any box that evokes thoughts of valuable items. Utilize these boxes not only for storage, but as tools to infuse your money with the spirit of prosperity. The second power spot for money is in hallways and entrances. These bustling areas, teeming with constant movement, provide a dynamic background for your money's journey. Money, likened to a stream, benefits from the strong flows of chi or energy created in lively hallways. As people move through these areas, the money absorbs energy akin to a wireless charger, continually filling your wealth with the energy generated by the constant back and forth movement. Capitalize on the organized movement and energy in your home's hallways to turn your money into an unstoppable force, a magnet for financial success. The third recommended spot is the dining room, a hotbed for cultivating wealth energy as the social center of the home. Typically filled with positive vibrations during gatherings, the dining room becomes charged with cheerful and lively energy. Placing money in this space allows the bills to absorb the positive energy, imprinting them with vibrations of wealth. Synonymous with wealth, food nourishes the body and provides energy, making the dining room an ideal place to store bills discreetly. Ensure cleanliness and organization to maximize the vibrant energy of money. As the fourth spot to enhance the flow of money in your life, consider elevated spaces. Height is strongly linked to increased energy, as high places in your home naturally vibrate at higher frequencies. Elevate your money by placing it on top of furniture, cabinets, and even above door frames. This allows the bills to absorb upward chi or energy, tapping into the divine source of abundance. Lastly, the fifth place to store money for energizing its potential is in elevated places. Height, being associated with increased energy, naturally vibrates at higher frequencies in your home. Placing money in these elevated vortexes allows the bills to absorb upward chi or energy. Store money on top of furniture, cabinets, and even above door frames. Consider mirrors for a moment. They create a copycat effect with money. When you look at money in a mirror, it seems like there's even more of it than there really is, a cool trick that makes wealth appear more significant. Mirrors play an interesting role, acting like a bounce-back machine for good vibes. They send back positive vibes to where they originated, making them grow even more. Placing money in front of a mirror is like giving a boost to your good luck and money. Try it with a couple of bills, leaving them there for a bit. It's not just about what you see. It's also about making your mind feel the richness. Start with a few small bills when testing out this money idea, gradually increasing the value as things go well. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Arrange the bills while you perform this money trick, to put it positively. Adopt phrases like, "My life is filled with easy money growth," or "I'm ready for good things to come." These sentences bolster and improve the money magic. I'd be curious to know about your experiences trying this money scam. Give one or both of the previously mentioned spots a try in your house, and then let us know what you think in the comments section. What was the feeling? Congratulations on embarking on this journey to unveil the hidden wealth within your home. Today, we've explored the transformative power of strategic placement, turning your living space into a sanctuary of financial abundance. Now, armed with the knowledge of these 5 money vortexes, it's time for you to unleash the magic. Imagine your home as a canvas, and each placement of money as a stroke of prosperity. The jewelry boxes, hallways, dining room, elevated spaces, and mirrors are your tools, and your wealth is the masterpiece waiting to unfold. As you experiment with these spots, remember that consistency is key. Treat your home as a partner in your wealth-building journey, and watch as it reciprocates with the energy of abundance. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of wealth seekers, exchanging stories and insights. Your home is a treasure trove of hidden potentials. By tapping into its unique energy, you're not only multiplying your money, but also crafting a lifestyle of prosperity. Stay positive, be consistent, and let the money magic begin. Thank you for joining me on this quest for hidden treasures. May your home be forever filled with the sweet symphony of financial abundance. Until next time, keep thriving and let the wealth flow.